Okay, you ready, Parker? Okay, you want to push it in? Okay, now crank it. Push hard. Keep cranking.
Man, it's getting tougher.
Keep cranking.
You're building some
You got
muscle.
it. Keep cranking. Keep cranking.
What a workout. Oh, we got
Did it fall? Parker, did it come out? Parker, what came out? Cool. You cranking, Esme? Keep cranking.
Need help?
No, keep going.
Need help? Come on, get your hand on here. What'd you get?
I got glue!
What's on it? It says Myrtle Beach.
Cool. Did Parker get one?
Jimmy Herman on hole 7, going for a 2. And he nails it.
That was a good putt. That was a good putt.
How you go underwater? Good job.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow.